Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing a question from JEE Mains 2025-24 January session. This question is from the Arithmetic Progression chapter. So let us now delve into the question. So in an arithmetic progression, if S40, which is the sum of first 40 terms, is 1030 and S12 is 57, then what will be the value of S30 minus S10? So for arithmetic progression, let me first discuss the theory part a little. So for arithmetic progression or AP, if we have a first number which is first term, which is A, and this is first term, and if there is a common difference which is D, then the sum of first n terms, which is Sn, is this n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so in this question it is given that S40 is 1030. So if we suppose that the first term is A and the common difference is D, then for this S40 equals to, let me write it down, for S40 equals to 1030, we can write that, so for it will be 40 by 2, which is 20 into 2a plus n minus 1, n will be 40. So 40 minus 1 into D will be 1030. In a similar manner, it is given that S12 is 57. So S12 is 57. So it will give 12 by 2, it will be 6, 2a plus 12 minus 1 into D will be 57. So if we simplify these two equations, we will obtain that 2a plus 39D will be equal to, if we cancel out this 0 from both sides, it will be 103 divided by 2, and for this part we will have 2a plus 11D equals to 57 by 6. So now we have two equations and two unknowns in A and D. We can solve these two equations and find out the solutions for A and D, and then if we put in this equation here S30 minus S10, it will be a term or a expression containing A and D. So if we put those values which we are obtained from these two equations and then put these values in that expression, we can obtain the value of that expression. However, we are not going to do that because it will be much more lengthy process. So we are going for the shortcut here, as it is a question from JEE Mains. So for that, we need to find out the value of what is it? S30 minus S10. So let me first write down S30 minus S10. So 30 will be 30 by 2. I am again using the formula only. So 2a 29D, and here we will have 10 by 2, 2a plus 9D. So from here we have 12 into 2a plus 29D minus 5 into 2a plus 9D. So here we have 15 into 2, 30 minus 5 into 2, which is 10. So 30 minus 10 will be 20a plus 29 into 15. So let me first find out what is 29 into 15. So it will give, or let me just write it down as this. So it will be 135 30, it will give 435, and there is 45 which will give 390. So 390 D. Okay, so we have this expression 20A plus 39D. So the expressions which we had already obtained has this form 2A plus 39D and 2A plus 11D. So here we already have the 2A plus 39D. So no need to find out the exact values of A and D separately. We can use this expression here. So here we have 10 into 2A plus 39D. So the value of 2A plus 39D was 103 by 2. So let me write it down. It is 103 by 2 into 10. So 10 will get cancelled out and give 5. So it will be 515. This is the value of this expression S30 minus S10. So let me now go to the options. So here, there is the option which contains 515. So this option 2 is the correct answer to this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and share this video with others.